यहाँ पे मारता उसको बोटोक्स बोलता है.
So now she takes her smoke breaks where I
The
pass
girl
by
goes to the
often.
gym and says,
Do you all see this? Is this a thing you all notice? You know people who smoke before and
let's have
after
her on the
gym?
show,
Yeah,
yaar.
Daniel
I love this girl. What a fabulous ad for gym. Want to get a good body, yaar?
I told my wife कि this is happening and she's like अरे cutie ऐसा करके.
To you?
हाँ. My wife knows कि ये क्या चुत आएगा ये.
COVID vaccine also porn.
Yeah.
फेफड़ा चुत के आएगा.
Yeah. Happy story? Gone.
जाएगा अंदर split हो जाएगा.
Gone. My porn happiness is gone now.
But I think a lot of what the internet is like 80%, 90% I think of the internet is just
हाँ, अबे है
for
कुछ
people to
है
jerk
कुछ
off.
जवाब. Who's the greatest Sindhi of all time?
Greatest Hindi. Hitler.
Ashish?
Ashish
Chalchila.
Is he Sindhi?
Yeah.
Is PV Sindhu Sindhi?
No.
I don't know. I'm asking.
I mean, like this,
legitimate question.
like this, we'll name everybody we know till we find the Sindhi. Right? Kunal Kamraj Sindhi.
Kunal Kamra is
Oh, yeah,
Sindhi.
Kamra.
He might be the most famous right now.
Dark web he met him.
He works in the office of one
He's
of my
actually an
friends.
arms dealer.
No. Legs dealer.
Legs.
Legs. No arms.
Foot dealer. So say he's Gora, not Indian. And then background music should play. Oh, Jawan. That's the feel I want for us. Yeah.
The feet is the thing.
Feet,
the
only
calves,
feet.
Punit's calves and biceps are the tastiest
Yeah,
part.
yeah.
You have to see. They want the foot to rub the dick and all, bro.
Baba, he can't move his back. पैर कहाँ से आएगा? ये कुत्ता नहीं है. He can't move his leg to his ear.
Assume the lotus position.
Yeah. They lower Akash. So what's the action again?
Which one? Iconic guys, iconic.
हाथ में आ जाएगा इतना नहीं करने का.
अरे तो वही तो होता है. वो ऐसा हिलाता है कि वो हाथ में आ जाता है.
Welcome to Chai Ka nothing. Welcome to AMA. Our name is AMA. What a f-all name, boys. Give us a name, yeah.
हाँ, चाय पे चर्चा taken already.
What is that?
Actually चाय बोलना ही नहीं चाहिए actually.
Yeah, that's true. It's a national drink. We don't talk about
It's
national.
tea talk.
Tea talk.
Tea talk.
Coffee with Karan. He's so thin, boss. I'm scared.
कौन Karan?
I think Karan will not be there only.
Karan
You wake up one day and there's just a shirt.
I'm so glad this has made it into the mainstream, but if you look at it, Tanmay Bhatt has started to look like Karan Johar, and Karan Johar has started to look like Tushar
Can I
Kapoor.
speak as a woman for a minute? I would not be attracted to Karan and Tanmay at this present avatar.
Well,
they
I
look
don't
really
think
odd.
Karan really cares.
Karan-
And,
Okay, not necessary, yaar.
No, I just,
Below the belt, no pun
No,
intended.
I don't think he's into you. That's all.
Oh, that's
and,
fair. That's fair.
uh,
Because I'm another gender altogether also. Yeah.
and Tanmay, I mean, I don't think Tanmay also really worries
Tanmay is
about.
called the Kunal way for me. You know, where it's guys who are fat and jolly looking, when they lose it,
Yeah.
they start looking really funny and drives us mad. We're like, ye kaun hai? So Tanmay, buck up, put on some weight, please. Kunal, you've reached a point where you just explode now.
Ozempic.
Ozempic से कुछ नहीं होगा.
नहीं होता है.
नहीं बहुत होगा. But I can't see.
So I have a friend who's like considering the Ozempic.
Oh, I
thing.
got lots of on it.
Yeah.
The injection.
Yeah.
हाँ.
And so
Which
he
is
was-
illegal. I'll give you the names.
so
They have
were
it while
saying,
having the pizza साथ में खाने का.
You can do it.
No, you can't eat pizza.
Appetite
after.
goes.
Appetite goes. So
Bro, you
can
don't
eat-
understand Ozempic?
You can eat like one slice.
It's a
and then
Sindhi
you're done.
drug. तेरे को नहीं करने का. It's a very Sindhi concept. You just take one injection and bus done.
There is
Zomato
smoke.
finished. Never pick up the phone. Promise. So one friend of mine 24 kilos down because of this, and now he's gone mad. He's getting thinner and thinner.
Yeah.
And I don't know, honestly, we are in our 50s and all that. Boss, what are you doing to yourself?
Yeah, my friend was actually, he told me a very interesting thing. He said so he's in medical field. So he was telling me that there are many studies, right? So he's saying you have to wait another 2-3 years
To see if
if
there's
those-
not enough data.
because nothing has been.
Long-term effects
Yeah,
like
long
with the
term.
vaccine. No?
It's like my marriage.
So there
no?
are
I can't tell you.
There are peer-reviewed studies that show that it is safe. But he said that like nobody's replicated a
Bro,
lot of those
big
studies.
pharmacy is always going to say it's safe as much as possible because it's selling like hotcakes
Yeah.
in certain parts of the world.
Everywhere.
No, it's a rich man's drug. So
You know,
comedians,
no, but-
sorry.
So Ozempic is not actually for weight loss. It's for
Diabetes,
diabetes.
yeah.
So it is prescribed for diabetes already. In fact, ये US का there were some state का person was talking about how because their price so expensive, states will go bankrupt if they keep buying medication like Ozempic for their
They are
people.
going to organize the Ozempic Games every 4 years. Sorry guys. अभी कुणाल कामरा भी नहीं है तो someone has to take up the mantle.
Yeah,
no?
the one, and how?
Take
And
on the
how?
parliament and all that. I'm doing it.
But see, in all the noise of the camera thing,
Huh.
nobody could complain about the fat shaming jokes in his set.
Yeah. I didn't hear the whole thing. I was, for me, I'm supporting Mr. Eknath Shinde's managers. What are they called? The people who went there? Marketing heads.
Social workers.
Social workers.
yeah.
I'm supporting all the social workers. From a simple reason, he's got a very bad singing voice.
Who?
Kunal Kamra.
Oh, yeah. That's, you know,
I got
it's
scared.
interesting
I was
how
like, what the
many
hell?
how many people I've spoken to
He
from
doesn't sing.
parties
Huh.
who are all fixated on this more than anything.
Yeah.
They're more
अच्छा
like
नहीं
गा भी नहीं सकता यार. Like that's the it's annoying them so
It
much.
was irritating me. I was on his side, but I'm saying, stop singing. You know, just say the words. Say the words.
अर्ज किया
What
है.
were you? Oh, exactly.
But he had a live musician also like to. for
That
the-
guy was also in pain. I believe that live musician is part of the social workers. He came back to break the place down also. I don't know how bad this is, this whole place. Yeah.
So he just put the gamcha on, now he's social worker. Yeah.
Anyway, if you go to Pondicherry, he's doing the same act, apparently. Out there. All good. Out there, there's no
So
problem so far.
technically it's Tamil Nadu. Because
Okay,
Pondicherry
so
is
yeah,
BJP.
he's not
It's
on
a
Pondi.
union territory, na?
Yeah, but
Pondi is BJP.
Pondi मत बोल. मैं तो 80s 90s का हूँ.
अच्छा, sorry.
Pondi is totally Pondi. You know what Pondi is, na boys?
What?
You don't say.
I'm
We used to say
complete-
Pondi. You used to say
For
Pondi.
what?
Pond.
Pon used to call.
For the
used to
video
call it
cassette, it's called Pondi. My pal Vikram would say, I got a Pondi, come home. Why two
That's-
heterosexual men would
that's
watch
damn
together is a
funny,
story I don't want to share.
Yeah.
I think Vikram was gay.
He's Sindhi, Tarani.
Also gay.
Ah! Dekha? No one left.
बाप रे बाप.
Wow. Bro, let's quickly talk about his health. Yo,
My
something
lower
your
back has been pulled and is not getting unpulled.
Huh.
And I've done all the exercises, but nothing is
This is the
helping.
first time I heard in English ना कि मैंने back खींच गया तो my back has been pulled by somebody.
Yeah.
कुछ भी जो भी
I
है.
think as a great comedian, he had said the phrase, he said, I can't get out of this, I'll keep going. I'll ride with this now.
I can't help it.
My lower back was pulled. And then
too much
Usha
pain.
had pulled it. Then Asha pulled from that side.
So I can stand. I can stand pretty well. I can also walk. Walking and is not a problem. But any other movement is a absolutely
Like sex.
excruciating. Sex I have not thought about since I
Certain
pulled this.
positions are okay no when you're
Even jerking off is difficult.
Oh, you Sindhis are another tribe only, na? What position is this where no movement happens?
Why you're lying on your back? She's on top of you.
हाँ,
What
तो
is the
थोड़ा
movement?
सा मेल का साइड से कुछ तो देना ना.
नहीं नहीं.
cowgirl, reverse cowgirl.
Reverse cowgirl.
Yeah.
Reverse cowgirl.
When you don't have too many
I
gigs.
think we should censor the word cow here. I think.
Right. Reverse girl.
Reverse girl.
Which is a boy. So the reverse of girl.
No, or you just reverse the girl.
Yeah. Why you can't bear her anymore?
But yeah, it's
Pain.
hurting.
He's in pain. He's in
I
pain.
have been
And, he's,
pain.
and he's still doing the show. That was my point.
Yeah.
And he's lifting weights or something. Oh, you got this.
So I didn't even the exact moment of when it got hurt was not while I was doing the gym stuff. I finished my.
The way you say gym stuff, I don't even know what the routine is. I feel that this is really a place you are forced to
Arey,
go.
I was doing
doing the gym stuff and
I was doing back and shoulders and biceps. Okay.
all at the same time.
Huh? One after another.
Gujarati again. Unbelievable. We'll save time. We'll do all three.
So two regions you do at once is what I've been told by.
Were you using those ladies dumbbells?
No, I was using the
Ladies
machines.
dumbbells. Chauvinist bastard. There's no such thing. अगर पिंक है तो लेडीज का नहीं है, सिर्फ पिंक है. रंग में फर्क होता है, मैच और कुछ नहीं है. But look at the way they think, yeah. Oh, the ladies dumbbell. I know there are colored dumbbells.
So
I
ek to
understand that.
Puneet can't get over the fact that I'm going to the gym. I'm going to because okay. Also
Why?
then when I go
Because
ek
we discussed for months. And I'm like कभी जाएगा ही नहीं. Then finally.
I was cynical that he won't exercise.
Yeah.
But I go now.
Huh.
I go 4 times a week. I manage now 4 now. I can touch
Female-
four-
female instructor.
4 times a week.
4 times a week. That's
Yeah,
great.
yeah.
Female instructor.
And he cooks also.
In the gym.
No, at home.
Everybody else is warm up. अच्छा ठीक है. Onions.
so-
But then
While I
why
was-
they call it kettlebells? Because like kettle women ऐसा.
Bro, you become right winger today, huh? You're ready.
trying
You switch parties.
कौन क्या हुआ तेरे को किससे
Yeah.
झगड़ा करके आया तू
पता
आज?
नहीं यार. He's very anti-communist today.
Yeah,
Not his
see,
normal
this podcast is uncancelable. So I'm just trying my luck.
self. Only Kunal Kamra watches this podcast.
You know how to cancel this program? You
How?
just get a logo in the back that says H.
Oh, right. But there are many habitats, I'm
No,
told.
there's one habitat.
Well, tiger has a habitat, lion has a habitat. Oh my. Okay, the sound
Coming
guy.
back to my bad back.
One second, the sound guy just entered. His name is Abhi. In case you see his face, it's his natural hair. I've seen in the toilet when we were urinating, the hair is the same everywhere. And just say hi, Abhi.
Hello.
He's a rapper. He's a musician. He's an engineer. He's also a bit of a CHUT.
We got
Sorry,
him-
CHUTT.
Yes.
Oh, it's like a programming language, no?
Like
Like Java.
HUTTI.
Yeah.
Chutti.
He's taken it to another level. This is a programming language like Java. We've got. He's on steroids today. He's come here pumped.
Yeah,
So
that
back.
the creatine is
So
finally
Sue, thank
getting
you back,
ahead.
ma. Come on, final.
So I finished stretching afterwards, the cool down wala stretching, and then when I went to the locker to get my bag out, I bent down to get the bag, and that is when it just erupted into like this pain.
This is like an audition.
What?
They normally tell you bend down and get the.
I failed the audition, Cyrus.
Yeah. How many days have passed?
Now it's been over a week.
Oh, so it's a proper injury. Because normally 96 hours for lower back is normal.
Yeah.
Just for
He's
workout.
doing the stretching also, but it's not helping.
I aggravated it because I had to drive to Pune for show, and then I had to drive to Thane. So basically, some 400 kilometers. I would
When
have
you
driven.
play with little Akash, do you feel less pain?
Little Akash and I have not been on talking terms since this injury because
क्योंकि आगे है, पीछे नहीं है.
lying down is also painful as fuck.
You're so lazy.
Ah.
You don't look at little Akash late जाने के बाद अभी. What
Boss,
kind of
मैं
reverse
खड़े-
cowgirl
bro,
तेरी
मैं-
माँ की आँख बेचो.
एक
Reverse
second.
cowgirl.
I
You
do
fucking
not-
acrobats. Look
So
at
I
this.
have a strong.
Camera.
I have a strong opinion about this. I don't like to play with myself while I'm sitting or standing. I like to lie down and do it.
It's your
my
life.
time.
Yeah.
I feel like I should be able to enjoy it my way.
Yeah.
बेंचोत संडास में नहाते वक्त ऐसा like it's exhausting.
What do you tell your wife पर्दा बंद कर and all that?
Nothing.
She's not there.
She has left for the day. It's my time.
Get rid of her fast.
Yes.
I want to lie down.
Azim used to do this joke, remember? He like sex, you have been playing with yourself since you could, right? And sex is a new person. So like, what will you do, which I don't know how to do better than you?
Very good point. And that's why Azim has been a very successful lover.
Yeah, and Muslim also.
Now why you have to?
A successful Muslim in India should be celebrated, no?
Secular parties are location. हाँ अभी BMC को line देना. Hello. By the way, guys, we have a new touch. A lot of money.
I've seen that, very pretty.
This Dodge car, I think it is from my dad's time, granddad's time.
It's called
ambassador.
Meaning
इसको
dodging
डुक्कर-
the law, ऐसा.
Dodging the law. and this is your favorite.
Yeah.
Black and yellow with a dicky thing on top, which
Yeah.
doesn't happen anymore. It's a beautiful touch. Yeah.
Beautiful touch.
Shows
You know they used to call the premier Padmini the Dukkar.
Yeah.
है ना?
100%.
Yeah.
And this we keep because a lot of comedians and
Mala Mini was Dukkar famous.
sir, get your own podcast. Everybody hijacks this show because nobody has respect for us.
I swear.
But I'm saying this is very good if Kunal Kamra performs here. We have a cab ready.
Yeah.
No problem. Straight out.
This is an old story. I don't know if you all know this
Tell,
story. This is
tell.
one of the stories of when Habitat got Todo Fodod.
Huh.
So this comedian called Saurav Ghosh had done a joke.
Years back.
Years
Different
back.
era.
Was he the entrepreneur in charge? Because a lot
No.
of shows under him. Huh?
So then at that time he did a joke about how both terminals are the same name.
Oh, you want to
So,
go there?
That's what he said.
Huh,
I didn't go
okay.
there. I go there to fly.
Let's not give the details.
Okay. So then he's like basically, then people got outraged. How can you say his name and all? And then he started saying anything. In
Although the joke is that why you use the same name twice? That it's
yeah,
not
just
really
about
what
it's like
the
people
name.
get confused a lot.
You don't understand the
Yeah,
joke.
and they missed the flight. That's the point. So they got mad and they came and they were looking for him. He happened to be at the venue at that time. And they had to book him a ticket to get out of Mumbai there and then, right? Because he's afraid for his life. So they booked a ticket. Now the problem is that both terminals are the same name.
Life imitates art.
So Saurav Ghosh is like, अरे पर कौन सा terminal है कौन बताएगा?
So today he took the Rajdhani and decided he'll go wire. Where's Saurav Ghosh? Calcutta base?
Yeah, Calcutta base. Now move back. No, now he's there.
No,
Somewhere
no.
near the Ganga he lives. I remember.
Yeah, Calcutta only outskirts now. He's living like the artist life.
Yeah.
Outskirts of Calcutta means what
Last
does
I
he do?
heard he was looking for aliens. That was the last. But this was like 2 years ago.
they're called Bangladeshis and you don't It's a rude thing to say. I don't like it. I don't personally. I'm sensitive to
Did
it.
you all see that reel where these two girls are dancing near the border and three Bangladeshi women are trying to get into the border in India? Have you seen that?
No, but is it real? Or
It's real,
made
it's
up?
real.
Huh.
And they're just like doing their own thing. कि हाँ ये लोग तो आते रहते हैं, कोई stress नहीं है अपने को.
So when they cross, do the other girls start dancing? Because they think it's democracy.
Hey, this is good reel.
हाँ, मेरे को तो initially लगा कि ये collab है.
क्या है ग्लास में क्या है?
It's a green थे.
ग्रीन टे.
Green
टे.
थे, अब orange हो गए हैं.
I mean, if we don't, we're talking about chai at the end of the day. It has to be orange, boss. Come on, yaar. Do the maths. So this show, as people know, is all about AMA questions.
Yeah, we have
and
many.
Akash, who was not even bothered to brush his hair because of a back injury.
Just FYI, this is and I have made an attempt. Okay, ये मैं नहा के आया है. ये मैं I can't do better than this.
But if I'm a Manglik enough to marry a tree, I'd marry Akash because I feel कि you pull a tree out. Yeah.
और एकदम ऐसा लाकड़े माफी कड़क.
What does your wife say? वो मेरे को नहीं चाहिए, नाम का मुंह बोली शादी है भाई. जैसा मेरी है. So
My wife had to marry a dog before she got married to me.
and still came back.
Yeah, I know, right?
What, is this like a Bengali thing or?
No, it's a Manglik thing.
The Manglik thing has got nothing to do with the community, bro. I mean, region. Manglik,
Yeah,
you follow.
Manglik is
unites
like
the whole
pan
country.
If
India.
you feel the person is a Manglik, you have to do something to remove that. So they land
दोष निकालना होता
Yeah,
है, something like that.
You have to marry. No, my point
so
is.
she
To
not
unite
dog,
the
no, I'm
country,
sorry.
you need superstition. Right? That's what
She married no, she did not. So she had an option because the street, and then you can also marry a god. Like you can because they're Shivites.
Huh.
You can be betrothed to Lord Shiva.
But
So
the
she
communist
was-
is getting angry with this.
I don't know
line
what
of
the problem
thinking.
is, but
So who did she marry?
I think she married Lord Shiva,
See, the Parsis have a different way. What you do is you marry another woman.
and then you divorce her.
No, I mean, that's, I mean, you now because you have to remove the spirit or whatever. So,
There's Manglik in Parsi also.
no, I made it up. I like the idea.
It's a proposition. It's a proposition.
Can you imagine? Manglik, no problem. Why? Where's her sister? Just kidding. Stop.
We're going to do an AMA question.
No, we have to chase ourselves now. We can't get any political party.
You want to do it?
Hey, boss, if they come after you, you can't run.
Yeah. At least for
As a
now.
comedian, listen, guys, if you're going to be funny and all that and you offend people, you have to be able to run.
Yeah.
It
But
comes
he
with-
can start talking Gujarati. That will help a little bit.
in Maharashtra, where not one single Gujarati was involved except the top.
No, if you go by the investments, it's all going to Gujarati.
So you're saying he'll be able to reach 1 and 2 immediately.
Yeah.
No, I don't think I'll read 1 and 2. But like 7 and 8 I can get to.
But 7 and 8 won't be able to stop this.
No, I mean,
Because the social workers have no idea.
yeah, but if I go to jail,
When they go to Ahmedabad, they also say Marathi Mati bol and all that. They don't understand. Because still your philosophy is stuck in your head, yeah.
He can speak Marathi quite well.
I speak my way. I was
You
once
really think
talking-
this is all going to save him, na? Gujarati manast hai, Marathi bolto hai. You say all this.
This
You
one
Kunal
time-
Kamla tried all this. Now he's learning Tamil.
That is in solidarity with the South, okay?
Yeah.
That's just him saying you don't need
I
to
learned
speak
some
Hindi.
Tamil myself because I had shows there.
Yeah.
So I put a clip out also, like a Tamil joke.
Yeah.
Oh yeah? Did
Yeah.
it get views?
Yeah,
Or did it get
yeah.
people telling you,
You
are not
spoke
pronouncing things right?
in proper Tamil in the joke. The joke was delivered.
Yeah, basic.
You know what you were saying or they screwed you
No,
and you're
that
making
much
fun
I
of your
know.
parents and don't know.
No, that much.
Huh.
It's like a very simple joke.
Did they like
Say it, chalo. Let's
Yeah.
hear it. Our Tamil listeners will be able to tell.
Yeah.
Come
Yeah,
on.
so just basic Tamil that you should know,
Huh.
like to be safe. is,
Ingava.
Yeah, so Uru Kapi, Rendu political party, BJP illa.
Wow. I don't even know. I don't have to know Tamil.
one filter coffee, 2 political parties,
Yeah.
and
no
BJP, no idea.
Yeah. Wow.
Yeah.
Unbelievable. It's uniting many parts of most of the South actually.
Yeah.
Except Karnataka where it goes this way and that way from.
And Andhra.
And Andhra. Okay.
Yeah.
Fair enough.
We forget still,
Yeah.
that
Telangana,
Andhra and Telangana
yeah.
and Andhra are
Yeah,
different.
yeah. We need to
Sometimes-
study more, yeah.
Yeah.
So was that joke a big hit?
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
In Chennai. Because they just
You
happy
don't
as-
know, now he's South Star, he does
Yeah.
movies and all. He
So
replaced so many North Indian actresses
Really?
because of his fair skin.
वो कम से कम शेव करके आना स्क्रीन पे.
उसकी साड़ी पे वो साउथ इंडियन एक्टर ऐसा करके आता है.
वो बैक शॉट बहुत बढ़िया है. Then as he turns, the pallu comes off and he's looking to camera, the beard, and I'm like, Renuka, too much.
No, it's Punita, but yeah.
Punita.
THA.
Punita. Oh, what are we doing here?
Punita.
We can't even go to the south after this, boss. Where will we go?
Northeast. Except
I
Manipur.
once spoke to a guy who it was a privilege to speak
Once
to the
this
guy.
guy is
He worked in,
hitting the thing non-stop, there's something wrong with him. Some sort of masturbating is going on. I'm not comfortable. Why are you? What are you doing?
He's ना बैठ के कर सकता है.
हाँ बैठ के लैट के कर सकता है.
लेट के.
Eight K.
Don't make fun of him now because now you can't lie down, right? At the present moment.
I can
You said-
I can be seated or I can be standing. I can't be lying down. That hurts.
So how do you sleep? Like a
It's
horse?
very painful. I keep waking up at night.
So you go slowly, you lie
Yeah, I
down.
find one position that's
Yeah.
the least amount of like discomfort, and
Yeah.
then I just like try and sleep.
And then when you wake up, if you want to move and all, what happens? You call
Dude,
you.
mornings are not working. Like I'm in a lot of pain in the morning.
So
And
who
then-
helps you? Your wife has to pick you up and all.
No, yeah, but she helps me off the bed at least in the mornings.
Oh, that most wives do.
Yeah.
The moment you get married, get off the bed. Come on, yeah. Don't get married, guys.
You wanna take an AMA?
Yeah, this time we can take
So
one.
guys, you may not know,
can
but
take
this show
one.
is all about you guys and all the questions.
By you guys, he's talking to the technicians. Huh?
And all the questions that our readers sent very diligently, as they sent exactly same.
Are you
question
questioning the integrity of our program? Are you saying कि ये लोग हैं नहीं? Are you saying we make up names? Read the name and show me how it's made up.
Parvinder.
See, very
Parvinder.
Yeah.
What a beautiful
Supriya.
name. Supriya.
Lazy.
100% generic Indian name.
Yeah, see, very common name, Bisham.
Bishop.
I have three friends called Bisham.
Incomplete 80s dialogue in a fight. Bishop. Brother, we don't lie. Prithvi, go on record with them. We don't lie. Every letter, okay. The truth of them. She's outside. They're all in the plastic surgeon's clinic. It's all female names except Bishop. Bishop is
plastic surgeon or Dr. Batra types. Hair fall.
No. There's that also. It's not called plastic surgeon. It's called something else.
Cosmetic surgeon.
No, do all this touch up, bloody.
Oh, they put the Botox
fillers in
and
the cheek and all.
Gana you.
Boss.
It's nonsense things
Nonsense.
people do to their faces.
Then?
You know the best is when they get new lips and then the rest of them ages, but the lips remain new.
Unbelievable.
And it's like a very weird thing where like the lips enter the room and then you're like, oh, who's coming? And they're like,
And if you're kissing that girl, the lips are lovely, and then you put your hand on the cheek and it sinks inside. You know? Your finger is stuck because the old skin is tight. And
have you seen
Hey, can I do an Andy joke because he doesn't do it anymore?
who's Andy?
Warhol?
Oh, Andy Warhol.
Yeah, he
Wow.
can't Habitat पे perform.
Oh, of course.
So his joke is कि यहाँ पे मारता उसको बोटॉक्स बोलता है, तो नीचे मारता उसको गोटॉक्स नहीं बोल सकता है.
There might be something like that. You're onto something. There's also a Gujarati boy here. As an entrepreneur,
For
there might be something
Gujaratis,
there.
Botox and Ochotox is the norm. Depends on how much you talk.
No, the best placement is in Andheri. There is this place where all the auditions.
Why are you touching your knee when you say Andheri? What connection hai?
It happens to be there.
Let me I touch your knee. You say Andheri.
Is it Andheri West?
No, I think he's talking about Andheri East. ये देख रेलवे लाइन भी जा रहा है
He
इधर से.
feels damn old, yeah, Akash. Auntie ka lips dekh. Sorry, Punita.
The gym lady must be very jealous right now, dude.
Who gym lady?
His gym lady.
You got an instructor who's female. Now I was asking
No,
you
I
that.
have no instructor who is female. I just have one person in the gym who thinks I am cute. So it's very
Oh,
awkward.
Can we talk about it?
हाँ,
He's got an
it's very
obsessed. You don't
awkward.
mind?
Yeah.
He's got an obsessed fan, Akash, who met you in the gym,
Yeah.
and then he started following him, blah blah blah, and
Not
then
following.
No,
but
no,
like,
following you online. I'm saying, and then started coming to your. Can I say all this?
huh? Wait, firstly you're saying just random fucking shit.
What मैं पूछ के-
One second. So somebody in the gym has a crush on me, and now they go and take their smoke
They know.
breaks.
They means more than one.
No.
She goes.
They means I don't know how they
That
identify.
He, she, them,
हाँ.
they.
Pelanu
I
palu.
hate this show, yaar.
Di dao dam da.
Go on.
You know what Hindi pronouns are? Ve.
तेरी माँ की. Sorry, that's Bhojpuri? I'm not familiar. Okay, go on.
So now she takes her smoke breaks where I
The
pass
girl
by
goes to the
often.
gym and says,
Do you all see this? Is this a thing you all notice? You know people who smoke before and
Let's have
after
her
the
on the
gym?
show,
Yeah,
yaar.
yeah, Daniel
I love
Fernandez.
this girl. What a fabulous ad for gym. Want to get a good body, yaar? So then what happened?
Nothing, that's it.
No, but she
That's
came to the house.
She doesn't come to my house. यार
अरे सच
ये
बताओ
गाड़
यार.
मरवाएगा ठीक है ये
So she came eventually and she started selling him whey protein actually.
But she
it
came
could be
down.
that, you know. It could be she asked me out for dinner. I agree, and then she's like,
Milkshake.
so have you tried creatine? Like, you know.
What if you think she's going to make love to you and she says, "Come on, spot me." but bro, she comes to tell the truth. So she came to the building.
It's very close to where I live, so it's like.
अब
it's
boss
not-
ये मत बहाना मत देना. She came from she's in the gym. She shouldn't be coming to your building.
No, okay. So first of all,
Gym is across the
Yeah, but still.
building.
so you can see the gym.
So
like
it's
no,
बाजू
ये कर
बाजू
रहा है,
में दोनों
बाजू में देख
building.
रहा है.
Oh,
So
so
it's
she
about
says-
which gate you decide to smoke your cigarette at. So she has
Okay.
changed the gate.
So it's slightly grey area, you're saying.
Yes.
And she comes there and she stares at you.
So like she'll be there because मेरा भी set time होता है ना दिन में मैं एक time पे घर से बाहर आता
आपको
ही
लेट
हूँ।
जाने के बाद तू हाथ से वो how do you explain what he does here as a comedian? Huh. So how far has it gone, this whole thing?
Nothing. It has not gone anywhere. It is just this is it. It's me going out of my building occasionally, seeing her and being awkward. Be like, "Arey, hi, hi," and she's like, "Arey, hi, hi,"
Biwi,
and that's it.
What does the wife feel about all
I
this?
told my wife कि this is happening, and she's like, "अरे cutie," ऐसा करके.
To you?
हाँ. She's like, "तू
She
गड्ढा
doesn't
चुत-"
think it's a threat also.
No, yeah, my wife knows कि ये क्या चुत के आएगा ये.
My wife is worse. She says I'm horrible. No woman will like me. But if one girl looks also, she gets angry.
Oh no.
But she says the other thing. She says you're ugly. No one will handle you. You're
She's
horrible.
angry at the girl's judgment.
That's the feminist inside her who thinks
Spot on,
women
sir.
deserve
Imagine
better.
being with a trainer, right? No, she's shouting at you. One more, come on, you can do it.
I've had partners
No,
like
that's
that.
even for his jokes. Standing on outside. Come on. Okay, sorry.
Will
What is the
AI
girl's
is-
name?
Hey, the name of the reader, it's all about the readers.
That's what Parvinder asks. That is the name, Parvinder.
Parvinder?
Asks, do you feel excessive meat production during, I don't even know, I didn't think a conversation could ever start like this. But okay, do you ever feel the excessive meat production during the festive season has led to the loss of authenticity of non-veg meals as a non-veg eater?
Was a more complicated question.
This is for good question for you, no? Like I'll sit this one.
Can I duck this and call Kunal? Is there too much thinking involved in all this, yaar?
But like,
I'm trying to
do you
understand the
feel
These are
question.
people whose problems are very different from yours.
But I don't understand the question.
Saying that-
now it is mass produced, no? So earlier when you used to eat the meat, no, you could feel the pain of the animal who had died and that would enhance your experience. But now the animal is barely alive to begin with. So so it doesn't feel
yeah.
like you earned this.
Yeah.
If there's a girl who wants to go outside his building, I'll give you the address.
You know what's interesting?
As a hunter gatherer, how do you see this?
The conversation around this. I am a hunter.
What hunter?
And from what I
You
gather,
can't even get up to masturbate. So what hunter are you? Who are you scaring? Which prey is running from a guy who's like, मैं लैंड किया इधर बीवी आजा हाथ दे मेरा हाथ दे
But as a hunter, the deer is coming to his gate and smoking and he's not doing anything.
He's saying the deer will die of lung cancer. Then you strike. ये deer नहीं है. What does she look like? Is that an unfair question?
Getting into this
Unfair
anymore.
question. Just say average or above average or below average.
They them.
They them. What do they look like?
So now,
Oh,
listen.
bold now. Okay, is it like okay
I don't know why I bother sharing anything with Cyrus.
Above average?
Fucking ever.
below average?
She has days, like good and bad.
नहीं, सबका average में फर्क होता है. It's not like average एक है.
Faraday पे depend करता है ऐसा.
Boss, for me average is very low. It's not a big deal. Huh?
Okay, but listen.
So above average.
Yeah,
No, you say below average.
Fine.
Oh, hot chick. अरे बड़ी वेस्टर्न कल्चर यार स्मोकिंग वोकिंग शॉर्ट स्कर्ट पहन के आते हैं वो
I don't know why he put a short skirt on her also.
शी वोंट सर्वाइव यूपी
Okay, next question.
He's taking what you call journalistic liberty.
Next.
ये
Journalistic
फेलिनी
liberty.
का विजन है भाई आई एम मेकिंग अ फुल मूवी हियर
Shobit is asking the next question.
वाओ
We took the question. There was no commitment
Yeah,
to
but
answer.
no he answered it ended with a deer
Yeah. As a vegetarian, I answered the
Yeah, yeah,
question.
yeah.
So
The question is to me is ki, like, what do you think? Like, because I know that you can have fake paneer, but you can't have fake chicken. Like a chicken is still a chicken. You can't
KFC
have
में आता है वो क्या है फिर?
वो chicken नहीं था ना वो बस deformed
You know,
chicken है.
there are some commentators in life who are so cynical that whatever you say, they find negative in it.
Yeah,
It's a beautiful thing that Puneet has. I like to be around him because I start feeling I'm a positive guy. After 5 minutes. And I'm a
That's true,
truth.
though.
Akash,
That's
truth be
true.
told, I'm a complete truth. I
I'm-
meet Puneet, I go back thinking, boss, मैं तो radiant sun.
It's Puneet forces you to
Yeah.
become optimistic,
Optimistic.
just to say,
You've never met
survive the
anyone like that.
conversation.
You talk about anything, he finds some blackness in that immediately.
But there is no.
I don't know.
Dude, my peak came one day when I asked Puneet, तू गाना सुन के रिलैक्स कर. बोलता है मैं गाना ही नहीं सुनता, म्यूजिक व्यर्थ है. तो बोला माँ छुई अब तो पति क्यों यार? How do I get out of
What?
this?
Why
hole?
anti-music?
I just gave him a quote from UG Krishnamurti. He said, "For me, the dogs barking outside and classical music, same noise."
My wife studied in his school in Rishi Valley.
Hey,
No,
वैसा
that
ही
was
nice.
JD. UG.
Oh,
had
that's
no
JD,
schools.
correct,
Yeah,
that's
yeah.
JD.
But close, somewhat.
Wow. What a great quote that is. As a dog lover, I have to say that I'm not totally, I'm okay, I'm not like, but don't break down the center if you like Kishori Amonkar or whatever, because,
Yeah.
that is
If
what
I
it is.
drag a Maharashtrian name into this,
Boss, you're fabulous. What a beautiful man.
Now you fucked
He's
it.
polarizing the country
Because
on
all
his own.
good until you said a
Check
name
Kishori.
they could understand.
Yeah. And she passed away, by the way.
Then-
She's not even there anymore.
Shobit is asking,
Shobit, 2 minutes
Shobit.
silence. Because the Carnatic music is on. So, sorry, it's Hindustani classical.
who will be the talent to focus on this IPL 2025? Any potential to make it to the current India squad?
Tough question, but so much new talent is coming out.
Everyone is
and I
hitting
think
like
pressure
what,
on our
dude?
old boys is going to be lots here for T20.
Yeah.
I mean, they're out. The 2 big ones are out, but the others are also now under pressure. You look at
Absolutely.
it. Like that Ashutosh Sharma comes to mind immediately.
Dude, Ashutosh Sharma, like even Sai Sudarshan this year.
Sai Sudarshan
oh my
is
God,
a
looking
proper, like, I would say, all format player.
lost
Yeah.
that cover drive day before.
Yeah.
Oh my God, what a
You saw
sexy.
the panga between him and this thing.
Yeah, him and Hardik, just
Ah.
the stare down.
No,
Yummy,
the
yummy.
FF and all happened.
Oh, that Gali Galoch happened.
Ah.
What? Oh, I didn't see the Gali Galoch. I only saw the stare
Hardik
down.
said FU because being the senior cricketer, and he said something back, but I couldn't lip read what. Size went in. He's taller, by the way. Huh? He's 6'3", 6'4", and Hardik is 6'1". He's not a small guy.
Yeah.
Yeah, it was good. I like. They should love
this
him.
is like Padosi auntie's chit chat, and I have no clue of the.
Wow, Baba, nobody watched the cricket. We watched this dialogue. Dialogue
But
between countries.
something Jared Kimber recently said I found very interesting. He said cricket suddenly has boiled down to 6 a wicket.
It is.
है
It's
ना?
too much.
It's
yeah.
like either 6
I'm
or
missing
wicket.
BJT already.
I'm also missing a lot of the like I feel like suddenly the bowlers forget how to bowl for the
Hmm.
first couple of weeks of IPL every year. Like
उनको बोला ऐसा करने का.
And you can see that Hyderabad is very good for commerce because 300 runs is normal there.
Yeah.
In a T20. Everything is great. People are relaxed, Just go to Hyderabad. 300. Straight away on the ball.
It's like the Hong Kong sixes. that used to
Mumbai,
come
Mumbai
back.
116.
Hong Kong 6 has restarted.
Hong Kong sixes have restarted. That's
Orange
right.
ball.
Yeah,
no,
it's
orange
good
ball
fun.
is from Asia now. We've exported it. Yeah. Should we stop there?
Yeah.
I think so.
If the National Security Agency in US suddenly wants us to change
reader
our
का नाम कौन
Oh,
बोलेगा?
sorry.
It's all about the reader.
Priya.
1 minute. I feel now that Akash is pulling names out of his bum. He's
अरे,
not even
दिखेगा
thinking.
ये।
They're too common. It's not.
Okay, you take one.
Okay.
Sorry, Priya.
Priya Bhaiya, sorry. Let's go.
Yeah, long time listener Palash has asked.
Palash is
Dr.
our.
Saab, namaste.
There's a Palash who works here as talent head or talent management, whatever it's called. It can't be him, yaar. Too much of coincidence. Ki,
He didn't watch the show.
no, he doesn't. He doesn't even know there's a show.
Hey, hello, he deals with talent, okay?
Or lack of thereof.
So Palash says when a Myanmar quake hit, 2 Chinese nurses shielded newborns. Does true humanity lie in such instinctive acts?
Oh, wow. पुनीत ये तो तेरे लिए ही सवाल है.
Also, I feel it's a wrong platform when we are talking about deers dying of lung cancer so the guy and somewhere a masturbates lying in bed, and suddenly you have to answer this question about humanity in a beautiful moment, a poignant moment where women, nurses, maternal instinct, blah blah blah,
But then
cutting
are the
across,
nurses okay?
nation lines and all that.
I mean, they're Chinese, so who cares?
I told you, the beautiful story. I told you, he'll bring it down, he'll destroy it, and humanity is gone. हिटलर कौन था भाई? हिटलर कौन था? स्टालिन कौन था? कोई नहीं. स्टालिन from Russia.
पुनीत Puneet, Hitler.
Akash, it's a story. Akash,
Puneet.
Akash bhai, it's a story about humanity. Two women in a terrible, people have died there.
Despicable.
Chinese lady nurses who are going to help people from another country, immediately, instinctively sacrificing themselves
Yeah.
to save them. He finds the negative in that. And that's a beautiful thing.
If,
That's a
if
human
it
being like
takes
this.
an earthquake for you to show some humanity, you're looking too hard.
What would have been the appropriate response, but going by what you said?
Check which airport to go back from, T1 or T2.
And for the children, what would you have done if you were a nurse?
You're the nurse.
Huh?
We're smoking outside.
Waiting for Akash. Akash, that's where it all. Oh, gosh. All right.
So next.
So it seems in Thailand there are few casualties, but in
Oh
Myanmar,
yeah, so in
Yeah.
Thailand very few. Most of
Myanmar.
them are in Myanmar because it was the epicenter was in Myanmar.
Okay.
But it was felt all across Southeast Asia.
The
so-
problem is also that Myanmar has been in a civil war for the last God knows I think 10 years now almost.
They should have
And,
never changed the name from Burma. It's just bad luck after that.
Yeah, no.
Difficult name to pronounce also, na? Myanmar. You put
Rangoon
Y.
was better because song
Rangoon is
was
a city.
Piya chali Rangoon. The song.
It is.
No, this
I'm
is-
correcting the geography
You
and
know,
you have to
my
break into
mommy-
song.
my
this is a
mommy's
remix
dad.
version by the
So my mommy's dad is one of the people who came to India from Burma when the mass exodus. I think it was not an exodus,
No,
but
they were
like
forced out here.
yeah, whatever happened, I don't know the details, but they came to India. So Khauswe came to Surat.
Yeah.
And one of the people who brought it was my mommy's dad because like he loved eating at Khauswe there.
I love cows. And by the
It's
way,
too good. It's the only
for-
veg food Cyrus eats.
No, I eat a lot of veg food.
Like?
I can't discuss because women will be offended.
You must discuss this. There is in 13 years of doing comedy, there's no way my brain can take me from here to there. So you must take me on this journey.
This man is a criminal here.
You must
the
take
two
me on-
nurses
No, no.
saving the child's life,
सब बराबर
taking
है.
protecting the child, shielding the children from the earthquake,
नहीं, सब
and he
बरा-
made it into a bad
You know-
story. और मेरे पीछे आ गया तू
नहीं,
because
नहीं.
I'm giving pleasure with the only body part that's working. This man. Bring camera back. Go after this man. We'll put the address in a link right now. Hey, guys, you will take a break, na?
Take
It's
break.
all about the
I
readers,
remember.
whatever they want. They want a break, we'll take a break.
Priya is the only reader because Palash works here. So far, and let's face it, there's no Parvinder. Okay.
All right, break.
Oh,
It's time. Create the life you've always dreamed of. Join me, Ashton Doctor, on a journey of self-discovery, productivity, and wellness. In just a few minutes, we'll bring you practical insights and actionable tips to help you build positive habits that stick. Tune in to The Compounding Mindset, brought to you by Access Mutual Funds. Subscribe to the podcast now and start your transformation today. Don't wait. Do it now. Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.
We're back.
they're back. That break, it really hurts us. Yeah, kills the momentum. Back with cynical Susan. Huh. Bolo sir.
I haven't converted yet. No. I asked for basmati rice, they didn't have it. So
Who you asked who?
Oh, dude, yes. I was in Pune and it was Gudi Padwa day, so I went to someone's house for lunch. And then the auntie who is living, like my friend's mom, she has never seen all those Yeshu ke Geet wale clips and all, you know?
she's missing out.
Yeah, so like we did a deep dive. Like for 1 hour, we went into the iceberg, like from Bolne Lagi to like Mera Yeshu, all the songs like we
Have you
explained.
heard the Christmas song?
Which one? The Punjabi Christmas song, no?
Yeah, there's a
Uh-huh.
Sardar singing
Yeah.
about Santa Claus.
Okay, is this a happy story or not? Because normally Christmas is a happy story, but I'm sure you'll find something.
Well, the
to-
recent converts is happy because they have hope.
Okay. Of course, these recent converts are not in India because there's no conversion. allowed.
Some pockets, if you were to believe what
Huh.
they're saying, but then after a few months, they realize कि caste तो अभी भी same ही हमारा.
Yeah, that's the thing, by the way.
So after changing religion, it was same space.
Yeah, so Muslims and Christians in India are the only ones in the world that still have a caste system. Like,
After changing from Hinduism.
उससे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ा.
Read the contract. Read
And
the contract.
apparently even Sikhs have like the Dalit Sikhs.
Yeah, there are 6 also have caste. Only Prabdeep talks about it. No other rapper talks about it.
Again, do you see how he took Christmas and made it into a caste issue?
Yeah.
And how we're all feeling sad now?
Now
that our
let's do
country
next
sucks?
question.
I want Puneet to give a motivational speech.
Remember
to
when we were talking about IPL? It was
Yeah.
so nice.
For 1 minute, we
1
had a
minute we
beautiful
had joy.
moment.
Yeah.
Ashutosh Sharma, 1-2 words came out nicely. And then again, he started talking.
Gossip करना तो करो.
अरे वही तो
इसका डिवोर्स हुआ, वो उसको देख रहा था. What is the bullshit?
ये बेंचो
तूने
मेरा
क्रिसमस
गेट के
को
बाहर
गिराया।
कौन खड़ा है? मेरा गेट के बाहर कौन खड़ा है? वो गॉसिप नहीं है तेरे को. वो जर्नलिज्म है बेंचो.
देखो भाई, वो सॉस, ये सॉस कहाँ है? सॉस यहाँ है.
अरे बेंचो
How do we know? Actually, मैं नहीं हूँ उधर. How did we know?
Yeah. On Amazon there must be a device to jerk you off now if you're not feeling it.
I'll tell you, there is. It's called Shreyas. Just call him.
No, he only jerks off comics with 1 million following or higher.
नहीं, इसके साथ भी पंगा. I'm learning so much about Puneet. Whatever I say, he's going to
fights.
just keep going lower.
New financial year,
Yeah,
new fights.
By the way, this is April 1st. The
It's April
show.
Fool's Day.
April Fool's Day.
Yes, and they've gathered the best of them.
I relate more to April than Fools, but
Yeah,
I just like the name.
April.
Yeah. Or as we say in India, April.
April जया भी.
You know, like you have the smart gimbals now, no, for the mobile phone.
हाँ.
Shoot. ऐसा कुछ होगा हिलाने के लिए भी.
They-
Amazon.
Wow, you're back to your. What a lovely entrepreneur. So he's coming up with a device to have you. What machine will masturbate you?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm sure that exists already.
होएगा ना.
It's
Oh,
called
yeah.
assistant.
But
I mean, you really have to. I mean, really, you want a robot to AI to do this?
firstly, that's what I was. I don't know, like the prospect of a robot hand. So there are a lot of people working on this, by the way.
But this is the male thinking, no? We take AI. What's the first thing you think of? Ah, मेरे को share कर.
I was.
AI, all the things you can accomplish, where you can go,
you don't know
space, startup,
No, no.
change the world, cure cancer, help the girl
You don't
child,
know
balls
this.
to you.
You don't know this, but this is a fun fact. Most of the technological leaps that we see with
What,
the internet
sexually-
is all porn. It's all porn. Online credit card payments was started by porn. Okay, first HD streamers were all porn websites. It was not YouTube or anybody else. They put in the money to figure it out first.
COVID vaccine also porn.
Yeah.
फेफड़ा चौंक के आएगा.
Yeah. Happy story? Gone.
जाएगा अंदर split हो जाएगा.
Gone. My porn happiness is gone now.
But I think a lot of what the internet is, like 80%, 90%, I think of the internet is just
हाँ,
for
अभी है
people
कुछ
to
है
jerk
कुछ
off.
जवाब.
No, so the men need post-nut clarity. No? So after we jerk off first, then we can invent other stuff.
So jerking off is like foreplay.
Yeah.
And then you get your
Then-
mind is clear, and then you can focus on other
Then
things.
Eureka ऐसा.
So before you date
So
a girl, you
why
should
you
first
think
jerk
that guy
off.
was in the bathtub for the Eureka moment to happen? He was-
तो यूरेका बोला और कुछ बोला.
See, again, backed up masturbation. What a disgusting concept. Now you're just in there with your own fluids. Like why would you do that?
No. He may have got up.
Yeah.
करने
got
के बाद
up
he may-
after ना?
हाँ, after he got up now.
I think he came and then he saw the water level rise.
That's the law of flotation. This Archimedes principle is different. Man, you call you engineers, huh? What are you all?
नहीं.
You don't understand.
Art student.
Would you like to destroy Archimedes?
No. That argument is Hindi, by the way.
100%. पूरा नाम?
Archimedes.
He's not principal Archimedes. Archimedes का principal.
Principle.
Arka Merchandani.
Who's the greatest Sindhi of all time?
Greatest Hindi. Hitler.
Ashish?
Ashish Chanchalani.
Is he Sindhi?
Yeah.
Is PV Sindhu Sindhi?
No.
No.
I don't know. I'm asking.
I mean, like
legitimate
this,
question.
like this, we'll name everybody we know till we find the Sindhi. Right? Kunal Kamra Sindhi.
Kuna Kamra is
Oh, yeah,
Sindhi.
Kamra
He might be the most famous right now.
Masoom is Sindhi.
LK Advani.
LK Advani was a Sindhi.
A bit late now to get the prime ministership, I feel.
Yeah.
Little.
Little late.
I mean, anything
who
can
else is-
happen.
Jet Malani. is Hindi.
Yeah, great criminal lawyer.
Ram Jitman.
I remember being in law college. We
And
had
took
gone
on the
for a
BJP in the
conference.
last year of his life. Huh? So went crazy.
Arey, so we were in a
Yeah.
conference and he was with the High Court's Bombay High Court people, right? So there was the Chief Justice of Bombay High Court and there were some senior judges as well. And I swear to God, this man's persona just permeates, dude. Anybody can be talking on the podium. Everyone is looking at Ram Jethmalani only. कि वो क्या reaction दे रहा है इस बात
He was
पे.
like the Malaika Arora of.
And हाँ, and
law.
dude, he would come and when he came on stage also na, he made one judge move and he sat between two lady judges, okay? And then throughout he's just flirting with them.
No one's
He's
judging, but yeah.
No, but he was such a charmer. Like he had such
Very
a charm and so
He liked his
personality.
ladies. There's nothing wrong with that. What is
Yeah,
it?
And he was unabashed about it.
Yeah, and
I had to
he
make
was-
up with the other Sindhis.
You know-
This guy doesn't like anything.
So he was like a real fun person, man. And even once I had the opportunity to talk to him, he was like too good. You actually felt at
And
sa-
sharp
immediate-
brain in his 90s.
What a
Super
sharp brain.
And went from pro BJP to anti BJP.
Yeah. No, I mean he was somebody
Like-
who genuinely cared about. He genuinely cared about the tattva of a thing.
No, I think, you know, when great men become old, they become fearless. They're like, what are you going to do to me? You see, a lot of great, as they age, they start thinking, you know, I'll say what I want now.
Yeah.
And sometimes there's a lot of clarity. It's like, you know, how you just masturbated and post that.
Yeah.
It's like that.
But his son is still BJP.
Yeah, he is.
Yeah.
But he's much younger, huh? Tony.
Yeah.
Or famous Hindis, since that's the show for the day. Send in your famous
Oh, the
Hindis.
greatest in Aftab Shiv the Sun.
He's half Parsi. Yeah. Half Parsi.
Huh, Parsi?
So we'll claim him. We can claim him.
I like that
Mohammed
Punit's
Parsi.
name has not come up yet.
Punit won't be famous.
No.
Punit wants to destroy famous. If you're famous, he'll bring you down. If you're well known, if you're a nurse helping a child, you're a truth in his world.
He's like, हट साली सुट्टा मार के आती थी.
Atul Khatri.
Famous Hindi.
Yeah.
You know, this is.
Atul
I think we
Khatri
are
from-
just we're being unnecessary. I know that
Juhi
the answer
Chawla-
exists on the
Yeah.
internet. We'll find the answer in 1 second.
You can ask Google who's the most famous Hindi.
Successful.
Yeah, Juhi
Sindhis.
Chawla is Punjabi.
पंजाबी.
You can't just claim anyone, boss. This is misbehavior, you know.
अभी आफ्ताब को तुम ले लिया
So,
अभी.
Aftab is half Parsi, half Sindhi. You can claim him. I don't mind.
Oh, Niranjan Hiranandani of the Hiranandani
Yes, yes.
family. Ranveer Singh is a Sindhi.
Ranveer Singh, his full name is something Ranveer Chandani or something.
Then
Totally
Chanda Kochar, I don't know who this is.
Chanda Kochar is Punjabi.
Ranveer you can
Oh, I
take
don't
if you
know.
want.
ICICI.
different. Yeah,
Oh, okay.
Chanda
okay.
Kochar.
ए वो नहीं चाहिए हम लोग को.
Then
Why?
the business वाले कितने सारे? The Hinduja brothers are Sindhi.
I met Niranjan. In
One sec. He's talking. Akash, I want to hear now what. Because Niranjan is my neighbor, so I can even tell him what happened with Niranjan.
They called me for the annual event.
Kiara Advani, Sindhi.
हाँ एक मिनट ना अब निरंजन का कहानी चालू है. They called me for the annual Hiranandani event.
Oh, yeah.
उसके बाद
फिर
what
क्या
happened?
बिल्डिंग गिर गई?
हाँ.
Punit stories.
Poi. हाँ.
So he was there in the audience and his whole staff was there. So they called me because they liked one of my jokes, which is their ad. Panvel is the new Powai. Because it's their ad. No?
Right.
So the joke is that ये ad को देख के people in Powai are thinking कि ये compliment है पर बुरा क्यों लग रहा है सुन के.
They still called you.
They're good sports.
Yeah.
And I had to like
You made jokes about him.
yeah one joke. So,
What was the joke?
So I had to address the situation because everybody has seen that video
Correct.
and all. So I said, marketing department, like full kudos to you. And I heard that there's one more joke which was that ki between Upper Panvel and Lower Hinjewadi, Lonavala is not left only. So I played on that joke and I said that you have a project in Panvel, you have one in Hinjewadi, you have one in Lonavala. If you have one in Khandala also, then you can replace Magan Lal Chiki with Niranjan Lal Chiki.
कुछ भी.
He was like,
Dude, एक
But
बार
these
ना-
are safe jokes. He's
yeah,
not
yeah,
being
yeah,
mean.
yeah, to
It's not
play
mean.
safe. And he's there and it's his birthday also. So then,
मेरा ना एक ठाणे का कोई बिल्डिंग का कोई रियल एस्टेट कंपनी था, मुझे नाम नहीं पता अभी तक, बट वो बिकॉज इट वाज थ्रू सम अदर पर्सन. ओके, दे सेंड 100% एडवांस फॉर द गिग. दे यू नो दे हैव अ मॉडल फ्लैट,
sample flat.
सैंपल फ्लैट. तो वो सैंपल फ्लैट में शो था
कैसा?
फॉर HNIs.
कितने लोग?
It's huge, dude. That flat was like
So
a
people feel कि साथ में मेहता भी आता फ्लैट के साथ.
Having a bad day for SB.
so some 3,500 square feet mammoth thing,
Okay.
and we had to perform in the thing. Now, if I didn't know about this sample, because I've never, like, I don't know this. So they told me कि ऐसा this is how the building will look, and it's built to the standards at which the building will be built. मेरे को क्या है? फिर वो बोला कि ये जोक्स करो, सब हो गया, पैसा भी आ गया, अभी 2-3 हफ्ता बाकी है शो को, मेरे को क्या है 2 दिन बाकी है शो को. दे कॉल मी, I'm like, अच्छा लिसन, वी हैव टू डिले दिस. I'm like, oh what happened? They're like, वो क्या है ना, सैंपल फ्लैट में पाइप फट गया है. तो पूरा फ्लड हो गया है, तो अब हम शो नहीं कर सकते. एंड आई लाइक ओके, मेरे बाप का क्या जाता है. तो आई सेड कब तक होएगा? दे लाइक वो एक्चुअली पता नहीं सर, वो बिल्डिंग में भी पैसे का कमी पड़ रहा है शायद, बिल्डिंग ही नहीं बनने वाला है.
Wow. और तेरा एडवांस?
He got
मेरे को मेरा फुल एडवांस मिल गया.
This is the best job in the world when this
At
happens.
one point one of them
अरे
tried to
फोन पे एक जोक मारने का ना.
dude, somebody tried, one of their guys, they were like, can you Can you return? And Utkarsh like, hट, fuck off, काय का return? क्यों करेगा? तू date block करके रखा है. 2 दिन पहले cancel
Just
कर
say
रहा
it's
है.
gone to my friend's dad's funeral or something. No, you can't do
What?
anything.
No, what?
I'm becoming Puneet, yaar. You have to find the
It's
dark.
not
You gotta
That's
pay
easy.
for your own dad's funeral, by the way.
What?
So it's a thing. So when somebody in your family dies, you have to, if you take money from someone, you have to pay it back immediately.
As in
You
bad
can't-
luck.
Yeah, it's bad luck. You have to pay for your or your dad's.
You can't charge your dad.
Atma cannot go to
Yeah.
peace.
You can't charge what?
You can't take money from someone else
For the funeral.
for the
No,
funeral.
no, you can charge your own father, but he's dead. So that's the only problem.
Arguably.
It's up
And
to
he
you.
didn't write a will because he's Indian dad.
Yeah. He's left it open.
Gotta do a will, man. Gotta do a will. Cyrus, you have a will?
I don't have the will to live.
Which is why you need a will.
What will I leave behind? Chaddis?
Listen, all yeah.
ठीक है?
So
You can leave your pecs behind.
I'll leave my pecs. Who will want them?
I had a joke about the sample flat also.
Huh.
So the joke was
Is
that
it better than that joke?
yes.
Yeah.
You're sure?
Yeah.
Yeah.
A competitive fucker. Huh?
So sample flat is like your Instagram profile, but the actual flat is like your Aadhaar card picture. So all these builders they call me now for a show like because they like this video and they say वो आपका वो sample flat joke बहुत अच्छा है आप करना मत लेकिन.
That was audition. Audition pass हो गया. अब main picture script अलग है. हाँ.
But they usually in the event they call all the brokers, no?
Yeah.
And then the brokers are not really stand-up audience. They're smart in their own way, but they don't get what we are saying. Sometimes
They get 2% of the joke.
yeah.
For 6 months. And you have to give little bit premise as deposit to
What do
them.
you understand? Brokers when they're selling to both parties.
Yeah.
I feel that's just unbelievably ridiculous.
Oh, but this happens right now. Like right
Buy
now.
and sell.
where-
You're taking care of. Fuck balls.
Oh, it is so hectic. Some of these brokers, so they come up with their own life theories and all. यार, they'll tell you. They'll be like, अच्छा ये ना जब भी तुम इसको मिलोगे ना तो तुम ऐसा बोलना फिर वो ऐसा बोलेगा ठीक
Yeah,
है?
yeah, yeah.
फिर तुम ऐसा बोलना फिर वो ऐसा बोलेगा और फिर वो तो कुछ ऐसा बोलता ही नहीं है
कुछ नहीं.
मैं मेरा बोल के चूते की तरह बैठा है उधर
Waiting for your cue.
Yeah.
वो क्यों नहीं है?
डर गया अगर इज इन द फर्स्ट गो अब क्या करूं बोलो सर लाइन
But maybe he wasn't even talking to you. He was on the hands free. समझा नहीं. But they're always on the phone. No? Like they have this. They're very old fashioned. Was a
Yeah.
belt in, it's a in karta shirt, and he has this like hands free old fashioned.
Yeah.
Maybe you're talking to somebody else.
there are so many of these little Irani places in Bandra where only these guys go. Like Dukes is there, then A1 is there on Hill Road.
The brokers you're saying.
Yeah, the brokers.
Is
go.
their meeting point.
Yeah, so they'll like hang out there. You'll see
Network,
them, and they
network.
always you know which ones are the brokers because they'll never eat. Okay, at the most they'll have chai and bun maska. That's the,
एक चाय में 4 लोग बैठते हैं.
हाँ
There's a charm to that, yeah.
हाँ and then and उसमें fun क्या होता है ना you can actually tell when you're sitting. Yesterday only we went to one of those, so I could tell कि like वो दो एक ऐसा couple आया उसके साथ एक वो real estate वाला बैठा है और मैं बस सुन रहा कि क्या चुना लगाएगा ये एकदम मस्त और क्या मस्त चुना लगा रहा है कपल को. कपल आया कि इधर इंदौर से शिफ्ट होके बराबर तो वो बोल रहा है कि देखिए ये तो बांद्रा है इधर तो 1.5 लाख से ही शुरू होता है भाड़ा एंड लाइक पर हमें तो 1 बेडरूम का चाहिए. 1 बेडरूम बांद्रा में है ही नहीं ठीक है
Allowed ही नहीं है.
Allowed, अस्तित्व में नहीं है वो
By
चीज़.
law.
Like, वो सब तुम्हारे इंदौर में होता होगा and they're like no bitch nobody in Indore has 1 bedroom everyone has space.
स्कूल में पोहा भी अलाउड नहीं है इधर.
फिर
No, carry on.
अरे देन व्हाट देन वो चिता काट रहा है ये लोग क्या काट रहा है ये लोग बोल रहे हो तो फिर बड़ा ही फ्लैट लेना पड़ेगा. देन इसे अभी पापा से बात करते पैसा और जुगाड़ना पड़ेगा.
But I thought they'll throw in things like कि रणवीर सिंह का घर बाजू में है.
That's what they tried
करीना
with me.
कपूर इधर
My old
रहती
flat
है.
in Bandra is like शाहरुख खान बाजू में ही रहता है.
हाँ.
I'm like तुम
So
घर पे
now-
चाय पीने आ रहा है तो
नहीं,
बोल.
best friends for life.
वरना कोई इसका
Hey,
फायदा
Shahrukh,
नहीं है.
free. आजा.
They know you jerk off in the afternoon.
Lying down.
Lying down.
So Shahrukh is not even involved now because he can't be seen.
Kiran.
Did you have to do that with your hand? But
Finish all the questions. ये क्या है
अरे
ये
this
कौन
is-
लाया इसको?
All our,
he's from a North Korean podcast.
Fuck
this is
yeah.
all for you readers. Our a long time and commonly named listener Raj.
Raj can be female also. I had 2 friends called Raj.
Raj female.
Of course. Raj.
Rajeshwari.
Yeah, that's not it. They're called Raj. It's Raj is it goes both genders.
Really?
मेरे को
Yes.
क्या पता मेरे को मत देख.
And Raj says Swaraj is when you get divorced. Go on.
So Raj says E2025 is here, but if the banks aren't closing, Does that mean even celebrations need a financial year end approval? He's a CA, obviously, this guy.
Wait, what? I didn't. What?
So Eid hai.
Don't make him say it again, na. Because
I'll
half
read
of-
it. I'll read it.
Huh.
Right, I'll just.
Because Puneet's lack of
He
interest in the
spits
question.
into his own mouth while he
yeah,
talks.
yeah, and his lack of interest in the question. I mean, already is a boring question. I'm telling you.
Which one? This one, no?
Yeah.
What does that mean? Why are the
Financially.
banks? Why are the banks not
पढ़ा भी
closing?
नहीं venture.
मैं पढ़ा ना.
I had asked for Kunal Kamra, educated comedian. And I've got these two.
He's dyslexic, by the way.
मैं गुजराती मीडियम में गया था, ठीक है.
Kunal Kamra Tamil medium में पहुंच गया.
So he says Eid is here, but banks are working.
हाँ.
Oh, banks were working yesterday.
Yeah.
Yeah. No, it was a holiday. Courts were shut. I don't know banks.
Okay.
Courts were shut.
Yeah, I think it was a bank holiday, bro. I couldn't get any.
Anyway, let's go with his point.
Yeah.
हाँ, फिर
Does that mean even celebrations need a financial year end approval?
I don't know, but I'm asking for a 30-second march between 1st and 31st.
Yeah.
We're 24 hours more. I think they should
Yeah,
give you
one
one more
more
day.
day.
Buffer.
Just in case.
Everybody does everything last, no?
Yeah.
And ultimately then they push to the next month.
I
Or the
don't know, man.
second.
That advance tax every quarter is like a whole.
Yeah. Arey, the
depressing
30
thing in my
grand I
life.
had to pay was so painful, yaar.
Do you have to pay tax? Yeah, you have to pay tax on income that you've raised invoice, na? And
Is
you
it
not
sad that
realized?
tax sounds like sax? I mean, it's so different, yaar. I mean, you have-
Greatest mind of a generation, guys.
Just think about it. No, as my hearing is going, someone says, "Hey, tax." I'm okay.
एक बार है ना, एक बार.
I take my pant off, and that guy is my.
This is from back in 2013 or 14 or something. I used to work at Hive, okay? So me and this guy who ran this venue.
He used to work for
Work
them.
means
Yeah,
you were a
it's
waiter or you were a
programming.
stand-up.
I was a
Same
programmer.
thing. In high, because
At Hive it is same only.
he was paying.
Set हो गया. चला पानी पिलाओ.
No, he was paying in sandwiches. That guy.
Yeah, I mean there are people who still do. Or no. So anyway, so we went and wait, what the fuck was the story now? Puneet, you made
You
me
were in
forget.
Hive.
Arey Sudeep, hi.
Ah, so we went to meet this venue guy to do shows there at that venue also. And this guy kept talking about how once upon a time उसके उधर एक saxophone player आता था. ठीक है, saxophone है ना? पर अंकल को नहीं समझ में आ रहा है वो बात. तो उसने कम से कम 25 मिनट saxophone किया. और इधर and just like he kept mounting the fucking thing on top of it. Like we were just dying by because he just वो क्या saxophone बजाता था, सबके रोंगटे खड़े हो जाते थे. वो क्या saxophone बजाता था.
और विजुअल भी गलत है ना?
मलमल जैसा था.
विजुअल भी गलत है. Saxophone.
अरे वो ऐसा जैसे मुंह में लेता था. And we were like, what the fuck are you doing? And uncle not realizing his irony at all. It was too much fun.
We should get a saxophonist for our show. Just standing in the background. Every time you say something sad, mean, he'll play the note.
Yeah, get world's tiniest violin for Puneet.
वो तो मेरे पास है. Ask the ladies. So tiny. Need days.
Like the dumbbells that he lifts in.
Hey, last one.
Last.
Supriya is saying, will AI soon make Ghibli Miyazaki's artistry is indistinguishable from the machine's weekend doodle?
Boss, अंग्रेजी है क्या? I'm not familiar with the language.
She's saying that you know the Studio Ghibli का सब वो AI वाला
हाँ.
filter चल रहा है आजकल, where it turns your photos into
Yeah,
Studio
yeah,
Ghibli
हाँ,
का
हाँ,
thing,
हाँ.
है ना?
Ghibli is a Mughal emperor.
You're talking about Babar Zahiruddin
Ghibli.
Ghibli.
Yeah.
But the poster address is Mr. and Mrs. Ghibli. It's confusing. He had 600 wives. So.
But we don't know where the grave is, unfortunately.
I mean, you and I will find it, yaar. I'll just follow you. I'm sure you'll look at it.
Do you are liking this? I think you also did it, no? The Miyazaki filter thing.
Yeah, that's because one of the listeners told me कि trend है गुरुजी आप भी
तो उससे
इसमें.
हाँ उससे व्यूज बढ़ जाता. मुझे तो बहुत so Meta has its own AI photos now.
हाँ.
And if you
Mehta is in your surname or MET?
नहीं नहीं MET. Oh, Mark Zuckerberg.
Sorry, low hanging fruit, but we couldn't resist. Mark Zuckerberg का. हाँ.
तो अगर मैं नॉर्मली स्टोरी डालता है ना तो ऐसा 5-6 हजार व्यूज आता है उस पे. पर अगर मैं वो AI वापरा तो उसका सीधा 50-60 हजार व्यू हो जाता है.
हाँ, 10 times.
Because it pushes it more. Because it's their own AI, they want to try it out, right?
What cheaters?
वही तो है.
हाँ, yeah.
अरे even
We
if
I mean,
you
they,
use-
they make Geo sound like nothing.
if you use words like come watch me live, click on this link and all, they will not push your
Bro, I'm
story.
not OnlyFans.
That's the problem. OnlyFans get way more push.
Come watch me live with OnlyFans. No?
But that's users also.
But let me ask the one guy who knows OnlyFans. OnlyFans में क्या होता है?
हाँ वो लोग कपड़ा थोड़ा कम पहनता है.
थोड़ा कम जैसा कुणाल
मतलब
संदीप
जितना एवरेज इंस्टाग्राम पे कम है उससे थोड़ा कम.
वो उसे कम.
हाँ, जैसे ही ऑलरेडी चड्डी पहना देखो इसने.
तो समझो यही, बट ये चड्डी थोड़ा छोटा हो जाता है
ये चड्डी ऊपर नीचे.
और पैर थोड़ा ऊपर जाता है. पैर का फोटो आई नो अ
ऊपर
गाय,
they're on stairs.
I know a guy who sells his feet photos
सदगुरु.
and
Okay, we are not involved with what people say. So don't send legal notice.
अरे,
Akash and Cyrus are not involved.
This is
Gentlemen,
and for
NRI,
historical
Sindhi boy, Puneet
for-
Pandya, I can say what he wants from other countries.
for historical for the
there on
record
his website.
no for the record, it is not feet photos, it is foot photo. It is 1 foot, okay? Big difference.
अरे पर you can buy two.
if you have
Mirror them.
if you have 1 foot and somebody says left, right, left, then what happens?
Langdi.
It's very confusing, yaar.
Yeah.
left, right, left. With 1 foot, how do you do it?
A foot fetish. That's what he's talking about.
I know. I'm
So
part
this
of
guy
group.
sells, dude, and he has नाम लड़की का है उसका उस पे.
Kiran.
वो ऐसा एनाबेला कुछ ऐसा नाम रख दिया उसने.
Annabella?
और वो अपना पैर
What is
पूरा
the ma-
शेव करता है वो इधर तक, और फिर वो पैर का फोटो डालता है उस पे लेडीज बोल के.
और काउस नहीं मारता है.
हाँ, और बेंचो दिखता है.
एक मिनट.
वो भाई वो 1200 पाउंड बनाता है वो महीने का उससे.
See, Cyrus can do it no,
नहीं,
with, the,
नहीं,
with the
नहीं.
chicken legs.
If you see Prithvi has completely clean legs.
Prithvi show?
Prithvi show leg.
No, what is this? It's not good. This does not work.
No, Baba, those marks are because of women going mad.
Oh,
You don't understand the power.
ये लेडीज मच्छर लोग लग रही है सारी जैसे.
कभी I think they also get angry.
But Cyrus can do it no with his legs.
You have to shave, but like fully.
I'll do it.
He does, and
but
you know
they
what he
must-
does? He does वो क्या बोलते हो इधर तक
Stocking.
मोजा जो आता है, स्टॉकिंग
Stocking.
पहनता है वो
And
और ऐसा
unravel.
ऐसा पैर रखता है क्रॉस में, और फिर उधर कैमरा रखता है, फिर फोटो आता है तो लगता है वो लेडीज
But
पे.
face नहीं दिखाते.
फेस दिखाता ही नहीं है, सिर्फ पैर दिखाता
This is
है.
the best.
Background changes की नहीं.
हाँ, अलग पूरे घर में अलग अलग ऐसा दीवार पे रखता है पैर, आसमान के अगेंस्ट पैर है,
Now
पेड़
ask
पे पैर है.
Akash. I mean, Puneet, ask Akash how he knows.
Yeah.
Because I met him and I was telling him, how are you surviving in London?
You पाव पढ़ो.
No, I said.
What did you say?
मैं सिर्फ पैरागॉन लगता हूँ. Okay. So
How did
I
you
went-
meet him?
अरे,
Annabelle?
नहीं,
Oh.
I know him because he works with one of my friends.
Dark web he met him.
He works in the office of one
He's
of my
actually an
friends.
arms dealer.
No. Legs dealer.
Legs
Legs. No arms.
Foot dealer. Sorry?
So I was like, how are you surviving in London right now? Because he just joined.
Who is from London?
No, he's living in London. So I said, you're and he's Gora only, he's not like Indian. So he moved from.
The way you said it was racist here.
Arre,
He's like, he's Gora, he's not Indian. I didn't.
Arre, it's very different for
You
Indians to
should
live
say
in.
he's Gora, not Indian. And then background music should play. Oh, Jawan. That's the feel I want for us. Yeah.
like ये सब हट जाता है, पीछे झंडा आ जाता है. मैं भी स्टॉकिंग्स पहन के खड़ा है बे मतलब. So then they went. So he told me कि I make 1,000 to 1,500 types. He must make from just this every month. That covers his rent.
Pounds.
Yeah, pounds.
Wow.
1,000
What are
pound
we
and
doing
lakh
with these
रुपया.
bad jokes and all, yaar? Just show your foot to someone and they pay you money. I mean, this is so
Dude,
beautiful.
yeah, but इस मेहनत है. You have to do the क्या बोलते हैं उसको पैर
Makeup.
वाले को मैनी
Makeup.
पेडी पैर का होता है ना, पेडीक्योर
तो
करता है
फोटो
वो.
में बास कैसे आता है?
नहीं, बास बीस नहीं आता है.
One second.
And the problem is he can't sell his socks. He said
Akash.
that's also an issue because pheromones are different. So male socks smell different from female socks.
No, but he's from UK, yeah. He won't
Did
understand.
you hear what he said?
No, boss, they are labor issue. We don't have labor issue. No, someone
अरे
will do all
but ये
this for
तो
you.
मेरे को ये समझ नहीं आ रहा है. ये आदमी ये ईस्टर्न यूरोप देश का है कोई तो
Oh.
वो आके बिंदास जस्ट मिल गया उसको यूके का वीजा. इंडियन आदमी को एक
Yeah.
ऐसा एक वीजे के लिए ऐसा तुम्हें दौड़ाते हैं कि तुम तो आके रह ही जाओ. और आई गेट व्हाई आल्सो.
नहीं, but understand, उसका पासपोर्ट में फेस नहीं है, फुट है. different way of dealing with life.
You
Yeah.
all are the same skin tone. You can get in on his passport.
I'll show your foot. You have nice feet. Let's do a foot audition. Huh? We
gotta
call
see
it
the
a foot off competition.
The feet is the thing.
Feet, only
calves,
feet.
Punit's calves and biceps are the tastiest part.
Yeah.
You have to see.
What I like about Puneet is Bindas is taking his clothes off.
Yeah, he's good. अबे बनाया तो दिखाएगा ना.
Such a dark-minded comedian, this is not a problem for him.
Upper caste male is okay.
Upper caste में. कहाँ सिखाता क्या? Foot UK East European immigrant foot to upper caste male Indian.
Yeah.
What a connection.
Beautiful.
तो वो मोजा बेचता नहीं तो what is his excuse? Because people must be asking for it, no?
हाँ, people ask, but it doesn't sell because if he sells,
Oh,
तो
it's sexual.
भांडी फूट जाएगा ना
What is the
उसका।
reason people want to see his foot? Sexual reasons.
Yeah,
Like what do they get
No,
out of
and
the
it's,
foot?
people sell
it's a
like
fetish.
fetish.
But what, they want to be kicked? Because then I'm
They want the foot to rub the dick and all, bro.
foot to rub the
They
dick.
want to lick the foot.
While lying down.
But let me explain all this.
1 minute. Baba, he can't move his back. पैर कहाँ से आएगा? ये कुत्ता नहीं है. He can't move his leg to his ear.
Assume the lotus position.
Yeah. They lower Akash. Then they spread Akash. Then they put Akash's hand on his pant. Then they walk out of the room, dim the lights, play the music he likes. Bhajans normally. And then Akash, बजा के, फिर बोला done. Then they pick him up again. Then they have to wash Akash.
I like that it's now multiple people. Like I have staff for this.
India, you have to have staff.
But
Doesn't work.
But this is Vantara level of service. No?
Which airport you get this? Boss, क्या हो गया एमए को?
हो गया यहाँ
वो
पे?
तेरा foot fetish.
No, we still have like 2
So
long.
are we? What is our? हो गया, चलो.
हो गया.
अभी मेरे को और नहीं. ये सिक्योरिटी एजेंसी वाला है, जवाब देने का है तो.
तू बाद में जवाब दे. Meantime, what is the question?
Yeah, so long time listener Bisham.
Here's my theory कि पुनीत का जो presentation है, up to the listener he's fully in, and then the question is not interested.
What I say, all about the listeners only.
बोल. Bisham, very excited. अभी तेरे क्या हो गया? पीठ में pain है ना?
Yeah, but when I raise the leg, it hurts, no? हाँ, but this is better. फ्रेम में आ रहा क्या?
अरे जयराम को बुलाओ जयराम.
Wait.
Too much, Baba.
Members only. Man.
Premium quality. बोलो जल्दी आओ, we out of time.
So Bisham is asking, what does a 70-ton US Army vehicle sinking in a Lithuanian swamp, leaving 4 soldiers missing, reveal about modern military vulnerabilities?
Keep windows open. Always
Keep windows open.
Don't take a chance.
Always. Even if the AC is on, leave them open.
Yeah. My God, one window at least one guy would have jumped out.
Yeah.
Ridiculous. What do you feel, Lithuania?
I'm just thinking, कहाँ पे US Army का vehicle चल रहा है?
Also, कहाँ-
when the reader is showing
नहीं,
off his knowledge.
But हाँ, मैं
Not
कह रहा
about the
हूँ ऑडियंस
answer.
को क्यों पड़ी है कि ये बेंचोल लिथुआनिया में डूब गई गाड़ी?
Some people think it's a very intellectual show, so they give you very interesting questions.
So wrong you are.
If they just saw the foot fetish,
You know they hit us on the head before we come in so that we can match the level of the conversation required for the podcast.
we have spent 20 minutes discussing different ways to masturbate and 20 minutes about foot fetish.
Yeah.
Okay, in the 1 hour.
So it's clearly high
In between,
high art.
humanity was destroyed by Puneet Pania. 2 young children were saved by 2 Chinese nurses instead of having a nice moment of, bringing the world together and kumbaya.
You know
and all
where
that.
this
larger picture
vehicle,
you should see.
you know where this vehicle would help if it was in the hospital where the earthquake happened. Then everybody, babies could be in the vehicle instead.
What if those poor social workers who are going to Habitat were in that vehicle? फिर खुला रहा क्या बंद कर? What's your call? अभी बोल. हिम्मत है तो बोल.
But US is
Window down, window up.
US
Right
is
in and tell us
Window
now.
half.
Half. Be flexible, yaar.
But US is everywhere, dude. Like there might be a US sub in the Mithi River also.
I don't think the hull can survive the acid
No, they will.
in the Mithi
If
River.
there's a US sub, the tariffs would have been lowered. I'm telling you right. Yeah. There's no way otherwise.
Okay,
There are, but the idea of the US like that was there earlier pre-Trump. Like Trump kind of degraded it in the first term. Now he's really going after destroy that.
And
But like,
what's the third term? Huh? He wants to change the
you
constitution.
mean like जैसा idea of India लोग बोलता है ऐसा?
नहीं, जैसे
हाँ,
the idea of
तू मत कर ऐसा. तू ये भाईचारा बंद कर. Don't bring it back to BJP all the time.
जैसे वो-
Me and Akash have to work across India.
But I just said
We
idea-
cannot work in Pondicherry all 12 months. So calm down.
So are you saying idea of India is
Pagal.
opposite to what BJP
We
is?
understand where you are going, beta. We have watched your comedy.
Yeah.
We know that all roads lead to Rome. If you know what I mean. Yeah.
Because Meloni is there.
I don't want to objectify women, but I must say that she is quite a pretty woman.
yeah.
Moving forward from your bloody foot.
So America like used to be very out and about the idea कि हम सबको माल देंगे, weapons देंगे, बंदूक देंगे,
सबको
सब
माल
देंगे.
The world benefactor.
And जब से ट्रम्प आया है वो लोग अभी हाथी ऊपर कर दिया है. तो व्हाट्स मोर फन फॉर मी टू वॉच इज हाउ यूरोप इज रिएक्टिंग टू दिस. लाइक मतलब कि अभी यूरोप का सही में गांड के नीचे आग लग गया ना पहली बार. अभी
Is India part of Europe?
हाँ,
Is India part of Europe?
Sometimes.
With the Aryan theory, yes.
So we were here first.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And,
We Europeans.
And now we send Sriram back. So
That's and to heart of Germany, no?
yeah.
We're talking about a very different Sriram. I just want to clarify for
We are
the sake.
talking in all kinds of metaphors. You won't
Yeah.
be able to understand.
You won't understand.
It's
But
when three
imagine
great intellectuals
sending a
meet.
Dravidian to the Aryan land is like.
Well, he's a Tam-Bram. If you want to get into the whole thing, so then I mean, let's not get into the whole thing. Yeah,
But anyway, so like now they don't do this, and now Europe is fattoed. Now, what's interesting to me is how does this affect us? I don't really know, and personally, I find it harder and harder to care.
I feel that next generation, their kids will come to our universities. to
Like
study.
Sharda University.
Yeah, well, whatever.
Hello, you know where it's at in India. It's Lovely Professional University. Okay, it's the
Lovely
one and only.
Lovely is very tough to get in.
Yeah, lovely stuff.
Houseful.
Ashoka University. That's another one. That's a
Ashoka,
very
you
big,
can't get in.
A very hi-fi.
Bro, you're making fun. These are damn tough places to get in.
Yeah, I'm
have
telling
kids.
you.
Have the balls to have kids. First get up. First,
You need only
first
one
get
ball
up.
to have kids.
No. Listen. Boss, presently, I'm just saying it's a bit difficult because you lie down like this and then you use this.
It has to
one
travel
hand.
up and all. It's difficult. Yeah.
थोड़ा सा मेहनत कर लो यार.
Thoda
It's not
sa.
right.
Once my back is better.
As one fucker to another.
You know the South Indian movie? This may they show.
Careful.
वो पेट के ऊपर अंडा बनाता
We
है
have to remember we may have to live in the south.
No, this
so
is,
be very careful
This is a
with your next words.
pre-independence movie, 2010 का movie है.
हाँ,
ये.
हाँ.
So. So Padma Shri Kangana Ranaut has told
Yeah.
us.
Yeah.
So in that movie they show India in 2030. It has become like a developed country and वहाँ पे ना foreigner लोग भीख मांग रहे हैं यहाँ पे.
Vijay Mallya had all these foreigners working for him.
Which movie is this?
It's a great film.
I want to
man.
watch
Oh,
this
it's a
movie.
great. film.
Foreigners on the road of Delhi, looking for work and begging for food.
It's beautiful. That's the first few minutes. Like there's an airport, सब कुछ उड़ रहा है पहली बात तो क्योंकि ये future आ गया.
Which movie? I feel like I.
The movie is basically called Blueprint 2030.
I think. And then the waiter खड़ा है. Waiter is like Caucasian guy. Indian guy saying कि तेरे को डॉलर में टिप चलेगा क्या? बोलते हैं only Indian rupees sir.
And then there's a mental asylum in the back where he has escaped from.
And like the people in like overtly Indian attire are coming out from the airport. और सब गोरा टैक्सी वाला लोग हैं झगड़ा कर रहे हैं मैं लेके जाएगा.
तो वो accent में बोलता है मैं लेके जाएगा and all that.
Yeah. And then discussing मेरा बेटा को इंडिया में एडमिशन नहीं मिल रहा है.
This is the future, guys. This is the future.
Yeah, under Modi ji is all possible.
Yeah.
Viksit.
So 2030, how old will he be?
That
80.
No, he'll be beyond human age.
Acha.
Man. He's part
So will,
of the
will
ether.
it be an AI of our Prime Minister or will it be?
We'll never know.
That sounds most plausible to be honest with you. I have to side with Punit on this. I have a very strong feeling कि आगे जाके इंसान लोग भी रहेंगे कि नहीं रहेंगे पता नहीं चलेगा.
And in Orwell's novel, that's the whole thing. The Big Brother, no one has actually seen
Seen
him.
Big Brother, yeah.
Or how old he is. He's
Yeah.
just there on the screens everywhere.
Yeah.
September में 75th birthday है 2025. I've been invited.
Yeah, I'm so glad. I just want to
My
see.
wife doesn't
you know
call me
why
for
I
her
want you to
birthday.
go there just to see you struggle with the veg buffet, just to see you not eat anything.
No. If Donald Trump is the chief guest, there'll be some pizza, burger. Life changes depending on who's
वो
there.
बर्थडे में आपको योगा करवाएगा. It will be boring.
वो मैं नहीं करता यार. Because I don't wear underwear ना. My legs split.
Yeah, it's no
But
problem.
when you do
So will the
squats
guests.
also, squats without underwear.
No,
Freestyle.
of course I wear. I have two boys holding me. Sham!
That's two dudes holding. Sorry,
This is,
holding Cyrus.
Bad choice.
And they're foreigners. This is the future.
And they
Michael,
fight. They
Paul.
fight to be the one.
yeah. So only job is available ना. Cyrus का गोटा पकड़ो.
Holding Cyrus.
Sorry, गोटा पकड़ रहा
एक
है.
पकड़ता है दूसरा फूक. ठंडा करे ना गोटा में हम.
Bro, one thing I am is straight. Stop this vision.
अरे why? This is not gay.
Change it! So the show has come to a horrible end.
Oh no,
but
no.
you can
There's,
see us on
one long time listener is left.
What's his name? What's his name?
Yeah, his/her name is Krisha.
ये 100% girl का नाम है भाई.
अरे Krisha.
You know, we thought that about Raj also, but it turns out to be a boy name.
Raj can be girl.
Who told you this shit यार? हाँ बोलो.
Yeah. So long time listener Krisha.
Damn you! Don't. You just want to say the fucking name. You don't care about the question. बोलो.
Has Avengers Doomsday cast become like the local train of Mumbai with all the stars together.
You are a Avengers fan, you tell us.
I am not. I stopped watching only.
ये डूम्सडे क्या नया पिक्चर है क्या?
But it's a
अरे-
local train in charge is sir. So sir, you answer.
Arey, the
Sir,
Robert Downey Jr.
हाँ.
who used to play Iron Man
हाँ.
is now coming back to play this other character called Doctor Doom. So it's a big deal.
This is very.
और उसमें बहुत सारे हीरो है.
This is very complicated when one character becomes.
So
the
I'll
other
tell you, I'll
character.
give you an
हाँ,
example.
हाँ.
Okay, what Marvel does with Bollywood is what Dream 11 does with Indian stars.
Okay.
उनके ऐड में सब दिखते हैं ना,
हाँ.
है ना? बस same.
Okay. What is that movie where all of them were there?
That was Endgame.
Endgame.
नहीं नहीं हिंदी फिल्म where all our stars.
हम
were there.
आपके हैं कौन?
नहीं बाबा तेरा जमाना का नहीं थे प्री इंडिपेंडेंस
सिंघम-
फिल्म की बात नहीं करते हम लोग
सिंघम again.
पोस्ट इंडिपेंडेंस
Singham again.
Singham again. See,
Singham
this
again.
boy knows his.
Singham
He
again.
knows his
Yeah.
theatre.
I'm
and
a
film
huge
theatre.
fan of the Singham film franchise.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
You know, when people die, they see their whole life before them. I
Yeah.
will see all the Singham movies.
At
I
the
have
same
seen
time
them
together.
so many times. I used to go to my friend's house. They had a Tata.
Do one dialogue from Singham.
Huh?
Some Singham again.
Tamaji Satakli is the most obvious
Wow,
one.
that everyone
But,
knows.
then why you
Give me
are
proper
questioning me?
dialogue,
Don't
huh?
listen to the story. So
Does it end with you lying down?
there is a scene. There is a scene in the first Singham where he jerks off a lamppost.
अरे तेरा ही कहानी है मैं जो.
Have you seen this scene?
He
Yeah,
jerks off a lamppost.
Yeah, he like jerks it off until it comes off the thing, and then he uses the lamppost
अच्छा,
to
he
beat the fuck
jerks
out
it
of
off. He
people.
doesn't jerk it off.
Yeah, he jerks it off.
No, he doesn't jerk it off.
He jerks it.
The lamppost
He
doesn't
jerks
have.
it until it comes off.
It has
It's
pleasure.
not jerking off.
It has sexual pleasure.
He
That
has.
is secondary. I have sexual pleasure watching
यार
it.
ये बहुत confusing है. Is the lamppost enjoying himself?
At Donapola it is. Donapola पे वो.
I don't know. I would let my doggy pee on the lamppost, so it'll be a double
But
pleasure.
that's up to the lamppost.
अच्छा,
No, if she likes it,
jerked
she
off.
likes
फिर
it.
फिर क्या होता है?
So nothing. I love that movie. I used to watch that. They had a Tata
Papa, you're
Sky
very
Plus.
weird with your foot and your lamppost, boss.
This
Conventional
Tata
sex
Sky-
is not your thing.
Tata Sky Plus Pay. They had recorded it beforehand, so that was the only thing recorded there, and they used to never renew the Tata.
You were
Sky.
forced to watch it.
I watched
Like
it a
Phool Kile Hai
lot.
Gulshan when
Like
I was growing
3
up.
years of law school, I would have watched it at least 12, 13 times.
Show
back
us
to
the
back.
action again.
Which one? Iconic, guys, iconic.
हाथ में आ जाएगा इतना नहीं करने का.
अरे तो वही तो होता है. वो ऐसा हिलाता है कि वो हाथ में आ जाता है.
Lamppost का diameter बहुत
हाँ,
छोटा है.
मारता मारता है वो.
नहीं, this is
अरे
a big one, but
और फिर
lying
दूसरे के
down
सर
you
पे
can't do
Doing
पटकता
it.
है.
this and he's removing the lamppost.
No, he's full. He's at it ऐसा.
He's pulling it or he's jerking it.
He's jerking it.
It's Physics, bro. You can't just pull it. You have to jerk. Jerk means ऐसा
You're telling a married man about jerking. you know that's all we have. 25 years next year. I'm going to find my own lamppost to celebrate. All right, that's it. Thank you.
We're sorry.
We're out of time. Catch us from Puducherry next week.
But
Same
not
time.
Pondi.
Not Pondi.
Yeah.
How can you not know Pondi is Pond?
Because 85.
You're 85 born.
Yeah.
No, he's 85 in his head.
85 born, Baba.
Yeah.
You are
Don't ask. You will feel even worse.
86.
93.
Get out. And take your lamppost with you. Sure.
It come from a Mumbai show.
Wow. Most famous Hindi in India is.
And my online show also on the 6th.
When is your Mumbai show?
It's on the 12th.
Okay.
Yeah. In this lesser known suburb called Khar of Mumbai.
Is it at the Habitat?
No. No, it is
Come fast.
At least
Don't be slow.
it's at least a kilometer away from.
So you have some time.
Yes.
When the news breaks. And the online show?
Online show on the 6th. Anyone can join. Maybe not Manipur, but बाकी लोग आ सकते हैं.
Hey.
Internet नहीं है, सही बोल रहा है
Someone
ना,
has to
ऐसा-
talk about it. No?
Yeah. You know, I did this one joke once when I was talking about this, and
So we're not
I said
ending.
Mizoram instead of Manipur, and nobody realized.
Yeah.
Everyone was just like, "Ah, कुछ तो हो रहा है उधर."
Racist face of Indian comedians. But what about you?
What? I'm taking
Entrepreneur.
a break from comedy, bro.
We
Like,
can't tell you
yeah.
he's on a
He's
big
going
project.
into organic farming.
No, much bigger than that.
Yeah, amongst other things.
Amongst other
Security for comedians.
मैं नारियल का तेल निकालने की ट्राई कर रहा हूँ मैं लास्ट 2 महीने से.
तू
तो
कुछ
अगर-
मत कर, तू लेट जाओ. Don't try to go into farming when you're only like this all the time.
No, he was being euphemistic. No, when he said नारियल का तेल निकालने की कोशिश कर रहा वो अपना बात कर रहा.
नारियल का तेल एंड लैंपो में बहुत फर्क होता है. Where to wear?
He
Monday
just said,
पे-
all he's trying to say is I have big balls. That's all.
Yeah.
They're huge. It's medical.
big balls and looked after by two Caucasian male nurses from the future.
That's how you got the lower back pain, no? Like,
एक गिर गया. I'll pick it up. You don't. Your back is paining. I'll pick it up. वो ball फेंक.
yeah. Thank you, long time listeners.
Thank you, like that.
Thank you. No
Dear-
one watching. They stopped long ago.
As Amit Verma puts it, dear gentle readers, we will listen to you
No, but
later.
at least Bisham is watching, Krisha is watching, Raj.
You do know Bisham, Krisha and Palash are the same person. But for tax purposes.
This is like my dad catching me for some reason. Like,
But
Hey, you have to blur this. Huh? We without money we can't promote all this.
we can't. It's a foreign brand.
Oh,
Chalo. Bas guys. We have to-
Cyrus says every time, Cyrus says, जब ये कहे तुम सुनो, please. तमीज से बात करना है ना, important people यार.